Okay, I'm Chef Tony Smith. I'm the executive chef here at the Eldorado Hotel in wonderful Santa Fe. I've been cooking for about 30 years. I've been executive chef for the last 10 years. My career was with Westin and Hilton Hotels, and I've been at the Eldorado for almost 6 years now. All right, well, our green chili cheeseburger is it's a blend. It's 50% natural beef from Neiman Ranch, and we also use 50% Kobe beef. So we blend the two meats together, and we also use New Mexico Windmill Farms goat cheese, which has green chili in it. So we stuff the burger with that, and we put in the chopped green chili from Hatch, and we put bacon inside the burger, so it's a stuffed burger. And then we finish the burger after it's been seasoned with New Mexico red chili seasoning also, and we finish it with cheddar cheese and more green chili sauce on top. So we've got green chili going on 3 ways. So I think that's a 3-way winner there. So today we're cooking in cast iron. So I'm going to give it a nice sear on the burger. We're going to finish this in the oven, and off we go. Going to toast up our little brioche bun. And I've got my green chili sauce that we use in the restaurant. That's a secret recipe, so we're not talking about that one too much today. So green chilies in the inside the burger, the chopped green chili. We've got the New Mexico goat cheese in there with the green chili also from Windmill Farms Dairy. And then we've got our green chili sauce and our brioche bun. So we're just getting a nice sear on this burger, and we're going to turn him, and then we're going to finish him in the oven. We'll melt that cheese. There we go. Okay, so here's our green chili cheeseburger. It's got the bacon, the Windmill Farms, New Mexico goat cheese with green chili in there, our chopped green chili. So we've seared it, we cooked it, we just finished it with cheese, and we're off to plate it up. Top it with a little bit of our green chili sauce. So this is the third part of the green chili cheeseburger. So that's the chili 3 ways. We've got our horseradish pickles. So these have jalapenos, and they're flavored up with some horseradish for a little kick. Finish that. And that's our Agave green chili cheeseburger. I'm going to take a bite of it.
I can eat it all day long, every day.
Max will take a bite. I can be next to him and say, Max, our operations manager.
I'll take it.
So.
That is one good burger.